Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss understanding firewalls, your ultimate guide to network security. Introduction. In today's interconnected world where data flows seamlessly across the internet, safeguarding your network and sensitive information is paramount. Firewall stands as the first line of defense against cyber threats, providing essential protection for businesses and individuals alike. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the world of firewall, explaining what they are, how they work, and why they are crucial for maintaining the security and integrity of your network. Table of contents. Number 1. What is firewall? Definition and purpose. Evolution of firewall. Number 2. Types of firewalls. Packet filtering firewalls, stateful inspection firewalls, application layer firewalls, next generation firewalls, hardware versus software firewalls. Number 3. How firewalls work. Ingress and egress filtering, access control list, port and protocol management, intrusion detection and prevention system, IDS or IPS. Number 4. Firewall deployment, network topologies and placement, firewall rules and policies, logging and monitoring. Number 5. Common firewall features and functionality, network address translation, NAT, virtual private networks, VPNs, proxy servers, content filtering, deep packet inspection. Number 6. Firewall best practices, rule management and optimization, regular updates and patching, intrusion prevention and threat intelligence, disaster recovery planning. Number 7. Challenges and limitations, false positives and negatives, encryption and decryption, application compatibility, scalability. Number 8. Choosing the right firewall, factors to consider, vendor and model selection, cost consideration. Number 9. Implementing firewall security policies, network segmentation, application whitelisting and blacklisting, user authentication. Number 10. Firewall and compliance, regulatory compliance, GDPR, HIPAA, auditing and reporting, security information and event management integration. Number 11. Case studies, real world examples of firewall implementation and success stories. Number 12. Future trends in firewall technology, artificial intelligence and machine learning, cloud based firewalls, zero trust network security. Firewalls offer a multitude of benefits when it comes to network security. They act as critical barrier between your internal network and potential threats from the outside world. Here are some key benefits of using firewalls. Number 1. Network security. Firewalls are your first line of defense against unauthorized access and cyber threats. They monitor incoming and outgoing traffic, filtering out malicious packets and protecting your network from various cyberattacks like malware, viruses, and intrusion attempts. Number 2. Access control. Firewall enable you to control who access your network and what resources they can access. By setting up access rules and policies, you can restrict access to specific applications, services, or IP addresses, ensuring that only authorized users or devices can interact with your network. Number 3. Intrusion detection and prevention. Many modern firewalls come equipped with intrusion detection and prevention system. These systems can identify suspicious activities and block them in real time, preventing potential threats from compromising your network security. Number 4. Application control. Firewall can manage and control which applications are allowed to run on your network. This feature helps organizations ensure that only approved and secure applications are used, while blocking or limiting the use of potentially harmful or non-essential applications. Number 5. Content filtering. Firewalls can filter web content, allowing you to block access to specific websites or categories of content. This feature is useful for enforcing internet usage policies in organizations and protecting users from malicious. Thank you for watching our video. For more videos, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.